Hey, what's up guys? It's Tech Jake here. If you're thinking about picking up the OnePlus Nord N200 5G, smooth, powerful and budget-friendly, and want to get it at a limited discount, check out the link in the description below. So, the OnePlus Nord N200 5G brings some solid next-gen tech without breaking the bank. You get lightning-fast 5G connectivity, a 90Hz Full HD display, and a huge 5,000 mAh battery that'll keep you going all day, whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing. The 6.49-inch IPS LCD screen with 1080 by 2400 resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate means everything feels smooth and fluid, way better than your typical 60Hz phones. Scrolling, gaming, video playback, it's all really responsive. Under the hood, it runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 485G chipset. It's no flagship, but it handles daily apps, multitasking, and casual gaming pretty well. The 5,000 mAh battery is massive and non-removable, and with 18W fast charging, you can quickly top it off when needed. It runs Android 11 with OxygenOS 11, which means you get a clean, fast, and customizable interface. OxygenOS feels close to stock Android but with extra tweaks and features to make the experience smoother. You get 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256GB via microSD. The octa-core CPU combined with the Adreno 619 GPU handles graphics decently without draining your battery too fast. Camera-wise, the triple rear setup includes a 13MP main wide lens, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor. It supports LED flash, HDR, and panorama modes. You can shoot video in 1080p at 30 frames per second with both rear and front cameras. Speaking of the front camera, there's a 16MP shooter with HDR support that delivers sharp selfies and solid video calls. Audio is good for the price. It has a loudspeaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired headphones. Connectivity includes dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, and Galileo, so navigation and wireless connections are solid. It also supports USB Type-C 2.0 and uses nano SIM cards. Design-wise, the phone looks sleek in blue quantum with a thin, ergonomic build. It comes with an OtterBox Drop Plus protection case, which has a soft inner layer and a hard outer shell for extra durability. Security features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner along with sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, and barometer for a smart user experience. A couple quick notes. It doesn't support wireless charging, the ports are open without covers, no screen protector is included, and the 5G works with carriers like T-Mobile and Google Fi in the US. Here's a quick specs recap. 6.49-inch FHD plus IPS LCD, 90Hz. Android 11 with OxygenOS 11. Snapdragon 485G, octa-core CPU, Adreno 619 GPU. 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, expandable to 256GB. Rear cameras, 13MP plus 2MP macro plus 2MP depth. Front camera, 16MP. Video, 1080p at 30 FPS front and back. Battery, 5,000 mAh with 18W fast charging. Audio, loudspeaker 3.5mm jack. Connectivity, 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C. Navigation, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo. Security, side-mounted fingerprint. Color, blue quantum. What you get in the box: the phone, 18W charger, USB-C cable, phone case, SIM ejector, warranty, and manual. Why buy the Nord N200? You get a smooth 90Hz display, fast 5G speeds, clean OxygenOS, long battery life, capable Snapdragon processor, decent cameras, expandable storage, headphone jack, and a fingerprint sensor, all at a budget-friendly price. Pros: smooth display, solid battery life with fast charging, reliable Snapdragon 480 performance, clean software, good camera quality for the price, and affordable 5G. Cons: no wireless charging, no screen protector or port covers included, some users report minor vibration issues, and occasional software bugs. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. If you want to grab one, hit the link in the description for that limited time discount. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more interesting and amazing videos. Peace out, Tech Jake, signing off.